So guys, in today's video I'm going to unbox the Audient iD4 MKII audio interface for you guys. Look at the box and see what is in the box. It arrived in this very inconspicuous looking box, cardboard box, no branding whatsoever. I mean, it does have, where was it here, a little bit like of an identifier on the side, but there's not much to the box itself. Now I haven't opened this, so I have no idea what's going on. Oh, look at this. It does come in a box, okay? There's a second box that is branded in this box. Okay, I was slightly confused, but here we go. So you get a nice look at the interface on the front, all very nice and stylish. It feels a bit Apple, doesn't it? It's branding, all very simple, but you can hear something is shaking around inside. That would not be the case with Apple, okay? I'm not gonna lie. So what do we have here on the box? The features, okay? So you guys can pause this if you want. Check the features, and that's it. Not much to this box. There's something. What is that? Looks like, oh god, it just fell off. Well, there you go. Let's take a look. What's inside? What do we get? It's a fairly heavy box. I was surprised because I didn't expect too much tech to go into like an audio interface. So it comes with the guide, okay, user guide. Not very thick, just a few pages, front, back, right? So very simple setup guide. Windows, Mac. All there. Then look at this. I love this, right? You remove the top. The buttons are set in here, giving it additional stability. It did tear. You see that? I don't know if you can zoom into this. It did tear the foil a little bit there, but it's not a big deal. No problem. It's very well packaged, I would say, and it feels very safe. Let's get it out. I don't know if I can remove. Oh, here we go. So that is the actual audio interface. Just making sure that there's nothing else in the box. Oh, okay. There is. What is that? The power supply cable? Well, it is actually a USB-C cable. I gotta get this right, otherwise you guys will destroy me in the comments. So there you go. You get a nice USB-C cable. Let me check how long that is. Okay, I'm gonna untie it real quick and check off camera how much, because that's always the ultimate measure, right? How kind is the company? How long of a cable do they give you to connect? So here we go. It's not very long. That's about a meter, I would say. You obviously can't see it, but just trust me. It's about, if not under a meter. So not a very long cable. And now let's get to the interface itself. Let me see. So it is glued shut over here. You know what? I'm going to bring in my trusty scissors. They're very dirty and grimy, forgive me. But I put them aside, especially for a scenario like this, where I may need it. Okay. It is open. We're taking it out. Let's see. It's a little bit fiddly. Okay, and I don't want to shred everything to pieces just in case I have to send it back or anything like that. Right. And there it is. The Audient iD4. Now, this feels very nice. I mean, these are obviously, I think this is a digital knob, right? So you can spin it indefinitely. It relies on the software, whether it works. So I'm curious to what extent this will cause problems, potentially. It is a button you can push, which is cool, right? So a button can be pushed. Over here you have the monitor mix button, the gain, another gain. Okay, so this is the microphone gain. And then I think you can potentially have like a guitar connected or an instrument connected to that as well. There's the USB-C port. That's what I said earlier, right? USB-C. And obviously the XLR, which is the one that we're going to use. And you have an extra little 48 volt button here, which I would need to investigate actually whether I want to use that or not. Maybe leave that in the comments. That would be helpful. Then on the front, you have actually a small audio jack plug right here, socket, and then a bigger one, right, for the bigger audio cables. And then over here, that looks like a mic guitar out. I'm not using guitars. I have no idea. I'm just after the XLR and the headphone out, potentially even that I have to look at. So that's what it is. It feels great. It's very heavy, and not heavy for what it is in terms of the size. It's not really heavy, but it's weighty. It feels of high quality. I was anticipating that all this would be plastic, right? But I don't know if you can hear that. It's metal. It's some kind of solid aluminium. So the whole cover up here, solid aluminium. I think down here, this is also steel or something, like a steel case. So the whole thing is very well packaged. What is this? Is this just for some air to, I don't know. Small hole there on the side. It's not a plug or socket. It's just a hole. Anyway, so that's what it is. Okay, that is the Audient iD4. I will have more videos on my channel where I will combine this with my SM7B, where I will try it out, compare it to the Blue Yeti. So there's loads of content in that direction coming on the channel. So maybe check out the channel. And I will make sure that I link all the videos that I just spoke about in the description of this video. Now, when this video comes out, it is possible that the others have not been made yet because I literally just recorded this and I'm gonna connect it for the first time in a minute. But once I've done the videos, I will link them in the description of this unboxing video so you can go over to that video and check out how this device actually sounds when it's connected to an SM7B. So guys, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure to unbox this device and I can't wait to try it out. If you enjoyed the video, then please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and maybe consider joining our Discord. The link to that is in the description. Okay, it's a nice community of friendly people. You can talk tech, you can talk music, you can talk politics, video games, anything you want. Okay, so maybe meet new people. You can meet me over there on the Discord. It's free. Join through the link in the description. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves and I'm out. Bye.